Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kenny and I'm addicted to luxury handbags and especially pre-loved luxury shopping because I love to save some coins but still enjoy this luxury. So today's video is a reveal of two handbags fresh like from the pre-loved market. So welcome back guys, first of all. And I have said that on my previous video that I still have a few bags coming and I just thought whatever, just F it, I will film this video. Because on that video I said that I don't want to be like promoting overconsumption of luxury goods, but here we are. The hypocrisy is real. But I know you'll be enjoying this video as well because I have two amazing bags that I wanted to reveal with you guys and to share with you. But before this, I just want to preface this video, as we all know, the trend comes and goes. So at the moment, we're still enjoying the mini tiny bags, but I think slowly bigger bags are like creeping in their toes into like the trend. And you might have seen this especially when Chanel revealed the Chanel 19, and if you could remember, I think this was last year, Givenchy, the Antigona has this like supple version that is so casual and so chic, and it's so good in my opinion. And I think I adore the Antigona line, but I wasn't a big fan of the structured one. This one I prefer much better. But as we all know, during the pandemic, we constantly need to get our hands washed and tidy, and so we need more stuff to bring with us on an everyday basis, like for example your sanitizer gel or alcohol. And with constant hand washing, we need like a lotion or a hand cream perhaps, and also your mask as well. And at times we will need like a face shield or of some sort, but in summary, our needs have changed since the pandemic, and so I think this sudden change in our daily lives and our needs has helped push the trend from the micro mini bags into the larger and bigger bags. And so we will see quite a lot of larger bags in the runways or on your favorite influencers or in your fashion bloggers. And yeah, that's just what I thought. But let's start with the reveal. Alright, so the first bag, this was sourced from Facebook Marketplace, and it's from the brand, it's from the luxury brand Bottega Veneta. So it's the Intrecciato, basically the woven leather, where they are known for. So let's open it up. Revealing with you guys. So it's my Intrecciato Boston like travel bag. I can't remember the exact name of this bag, but this is what it looks like. And yeah, let's just glorify and appreciate her beauty. So I just popped that Loewe elephant coin purse in here. So it's similar like colorway to it, but I thought this was a much more like powder-ish blue than the Loewe Puzzle bag, which is in the stone blue color. So I thought I wanted to have something from this fashion house, but I wasn't sure about the cassette bag. I thought it was so trendy, and also it's quite pricey as well. And when like bags get very trendy, I think several times before I pull the trigger. I mean, it's a classic silhouette, it's a flap style bag, but to me, I'm not willing to, risk it, and so I just mold it over, put it on the back burner most of the time. And so I just came across this one. It's a Boston bag. It's got the clochette as well. It's got the lock over here. So, I can make this so functional. And the thing with me now, I love to have bags that look great for an outfit, but I also love bags, that I don't fuss with, and I can definitely like fit so much stuff in here. And basically you can probably use this as a carry-on on travel, and it's so cute, and it's similar to the Speedy as well. And yeah, I just love the colorway as well. And initially I thought, should I like dye it black, but I just love this color. And also the leather is phenomenal. It's so soft. I mean, this bag had wear and tear on the corners. I don't know what to do with it, but I thought it adds some character to the bag. And yeah, that's that. I'm just not a big fan of how these like bag straps cling onto each other. And so basically that's that. I'm thinking to buy an alternative strap to this one, so I could just use it like a shoulder bag. I wanted this to be a shoulder bag, not a crossbody one. And I love that very casual vibes. It's just like a carefree one. Maybe bang it across the crook of your arm like this. And I got this for such a good deal. I think that how much was it? $400, I think? 400 something, around that, plus shipping. And I love the addition of the Loewe charm in contrast with the like woven leather. Isn't it so cute? And it's still got the strap. And what she did was she tied the knot in here. I think it was quite long as a crossbody perhaps, but I wanted a shorter shoulder strap for this one and could use it. I think it's a little bit much for a work bag, but I love it. So cute. What do you think, guys? So yeah. And I've seen a few celebrities. I've just forgotten. I did search on street style photos of this bag, and I've seen a few celebrities from way back. It's an old style bag. Not sure if it's reproduced, but I'm sure it's been discontinued anyway. So I've just checked their website. The mini top handle bag in the Intrecciato Napoleta is in here, but it's sold out. Anyway, but yeah, happy with this one. Yeah, isn't it so stunning? Anyway, that's that. Okay. Alright. Okay. So let's say it's a pièce de resistance of this video. I have told you guys that I wanted another Loewe puzzle bag, but in the white color. But I'll be honest with you guys, when I sold my marine blue Loewe puzzle bag in the small size, I regretted it so much. Like seriously, so much. But during those times, I had so many like bags that I got so overwhelmed that I had to like make room for the new ones, and so I sold my marine blue Loewe puzzle bag. And I thought, yeah, maybe I have not used that because I have this baby right here. But I really missed that bag so much, especially when I saw my old outfit photos, and I just remembered all the feeling of having something that I love so much. But here we are. It's a Loewe puzzle bag, you guys, and it's in this color. Welcome back. But this is not the small puzzle bag. This is the medium size, and yeah, as per the title of the video, this is the comeback of the bigger bags. And after having this, I've used this quite a bit. It made this bag so tiny. But I love this bag so much because it fits anything that I would want to carry with me. This is a bag that would fit everything that I want. And I don't know, I think it's just because you see a lot of like tiny bags and you feel like this bag is so large. And when I bought that Loewe small puzzle bag, it was a toss-up between this and the small one, and in the end I got the small. I was super happy with that decision, but now that bigger bags, larger bags are on the rise, I thought, what could have been a better way to add this marine blue puzzle bag in my collection in the medium size, isn't it? Okay. Oh, it still has the dust bag, of course, and it's got the booklet, oops, and the textile cards in here. And also, I think this signifies that your bag is authentic. And I got this from eBay, by the way, and the lady got hers from Selfridges. But this bag came with a little bit of wear and tear. There's like scratches on the corners, basic ones, normal wear and tear, and there's like cracks on glazing as well, because I think that's pretty normal. It will happen eventually because, you know, this bag constantly gets moved around, especially on this flap. But I did something on it. I put a edge coat just to seal the cracks, and it looks fine right now. But I'm so happy that it's back in my collection in this bigger size. Let's just... So that is what it looks like. Cross-bodied. But I love this bag. Shouldered. This way. Especially with a shorter like shoulder strap. Super happy. Seriously, I'm super happy. I hope this would be it for now. I'm so like scraped up my bank account. I love this color. She is phenomenal. But I'll be honest, I still love the mini one as well. I should stop. Bish, you should. Let's put it both sides. That's the small one, this is the medium one. And now that I got the two, I'm thinking to do a comparison video between these two puzzle bags. And I still see a lot of people asking me on my Instagram regarding the two or regarding the puzzle bag, and I always say go for the small, but I think my kind of perspective is changing as well. Basically because of the needs has changed as well. But that is my video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And what are your thoughts? These are like blue tone bags. You know I love my navies, but thank you so much for watching. I would appreciate if you would like this video, just so I know that you're enjoying these videos, and just to push this video out through the YouTube algorithm, and you know, just help me a little bit. But yeah, I hope you stay safe guys, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!